Overcoming Irritable Bowel Syndrome, IBS, at the Wellbeing Sanctuary. IBS is a chronic condition affecting the large intestine, and its symptoms can range from mild to severe. They include abdominal pain or cramping, often relieved by a bowel movement, bloating and gas, a feeling of fullness or discomfort, diarrhea, frequent loose or watery stools, constipation, difficulty in passing stools, often alternating with diarrhea, changes in bowel habits, frequent shifts between diarrhea and constipation, mucus in the stool, a noticeable amount of white or clear mucus in the stool, urgency to have a bowel movement, a sudden, strong need to use the bathroom. The Wellbeing Sanctuary, using its holistic approach, provides multi-layered solutions for overcoming IBS by addressing the root causes: physical, emotional, and subconscious. Subconscious reprogramming, 𝒮𝓇𝒾𝓃𝑔. IBS often arises from unresolved emotional stress and long-term survival patterns encoded in the subconscious. Through the 𝒮𝓇𝒾𝓃𝑔 method, subconscious blockages related to fear, anxiety, and stress are identified and healed. This deep reprogramming helps break the stress IBS cycle and restores balance to the digestive system. Stress reduction techniques. Chronic stress is a major trigger for IBS. The Wellbeing Sanctuary provides personalized stress management practices, such as meditation, mindfulness, and breathwork, to calm the nervous system, reducing IBS flare-ups caused by stress. Emotional healing. Emotional trauma and unresolved anxiety often manifest in digestive issues. The Wellbeing Sanctuary's focus on inner child healing, ancestral survival programs, and shadow work helps clients release emotional pain, reducing IBS symptoms linked to emotional triggers. Gut health and nutrition. Holistic nutritional counseling is provided to support digestive health. By addressing food intolerances, incorporating gut-healing foods, and encouraging mindful eating, clients can manage the physical aspects of IBS more effectively. Mind-body connection. Techniques like trauma release exercise is taught to strengthen the mind-body connection, promoting better digestion and reducing IBS-related discomfort. Combining therapy with holistic practices creates a well-rounded path to healing. Embrace holistic healing with professional guidance and book your free discovery call today.